paper mill is doing, making journal cases for, like, the personal
This is the intersection. That's the Parker United Methodist Church. And we came out of the parking lot. We went, and your dad decided he wanted to go to the bank here to get money. So we were right over there, and we came into this intersection. And he took a turn to go this way. And there was a 16-year-old girl driving a truck, and she was going this way and hit us. And the car literally went up on two wheels and fell back down. It was right there.
You just yelled all of a sudden. I was like, oh, what happened?
No, I just recognized where we were, I didn't have any clue. I was looking, well, there's a Tyndall. And then I looked around, that's the and you know who the pastor's name was?
Rich?
The last name was Sanders.
Oh, my gosh.